you two? Have you gone mad?
I'm so sorry, Mommy. Tomorrow happens to be my birthday, so we are having a pre-birthday party.
Oh, God.
I have prayed. I have made all the sacrifices to God to bless me with a son. But none. Instead, he decided...
Darling, please. Please don't go there. Not anymore.
Don't do what? Don't speak the truth? You don't want me to express how much of a disappointment these two have been to this family?
I am just saying that you shouldn't blame God. Children are gifts from God.
These ones are gifts. These two are also gifts from God. What in particular have I done to merit this type of gift from God? Eh? Where did I go wrong? You sleep, you eat, you wake under my roof and then frustrate me. You have brought me nothing but headaches, nightmares, pain, sorrow. Posterity will bear me witness that I did everything I should for you two to change and better your lives. Instead, you chose to go west. You should be. You should be really sorry for yourself. Eh? I have done my part and I am happy and fulfilled in it. You will have to account for your own lives in the long run.
Sorry, Daddy. Daddy, we're sorry.
Why have you two decided to send your father to an early grave? Why have you sworn to make me look like a failed woman in life? Why?
Mother, we are sorry. It was actually Akuna's birthday tomorrow. So
yes.
We decided to do a get together. Even I because just two of us. Nothing else. So
a mini party.
Mini party. What
a mini party you say?
2 in 1.
And you're almost blowing the roof of this house. That means when the real party happens, we'll have to look for another house to move into, isn't it?
No, Mommy. I'm so... Okay, we are so sorry. We are deeply sorry, Mommy. Mommy, wait. Mommy, you know it's my birthday tomorrow. So I've been meaning to tell you or probably ask what you're going to get for me tomorrow that's supposed to be my birthday.
Do you know what I'll get for you? Sense! I will buy you some cups of sense tomorrow as your birthday gift. Nonsense. Bunch of disappointments.
Mommy!
This stupid boy did not tell us that they were coming back already. He said he will buy us a cup of sense.
Because you give them too much space.
Daddy, what do you have me do?
Talk to them. They are your siblings.
They are your children. If they cannot listen to you and Mom, then how can they listen to me? Daddy, you need to relax your nerves.
But I can't. How can I possibly relax when these girls are not showing any signs of growing up?
Daddy, it's not your fault. You have done enough for us.
But it's not enough. What will people think of me? My reputation. If they go on like this, I'll turn out a failed man. One who cannot even raise his own children.
Daddy, are you thinking about what people will say? You have done enough for us. The legacy you have built, the people you have lifted.
What do they think about a man who is a saint outside, but very bad inside?
Daddy, you're not a bad man. You're a good man, okay?
If only I had.
You had a son, now you don't have a son, so get used to it. Do not allow this whole thing to disturb you, okay? Daddy, I'm rounding off the cash flow proposal and I'll soon be done, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Adani.
Please, Daddy.
Thank you for being my backbone.
Daddy, stop beating yourself up, okay?
I can't. It will be hard for me.
Darling, if you go on like this, you will scare them away from you.
Will it make them change? Will it make them better? Oh well, if it will make them responsible, then I'll wear masquerade henceforth.
No. Donald. Easy. Take it easy on yourself. Please.
If you are not bothered about the way they are headed, with this recklessness, I am.
Boy, come here. What is wrong with you?
I'm finished.
You're finished? How?
Madam, I was dancing. If not my village people that followed me to this place, how can I be dancing on duty?
Don't be silly, boy. It wasn't your fault.
Madam, do you know that Oga opened the gate by himself?
Boy, go back to your duty post and make sure you don't get carried away next time.
Madam, is that what Oga told you? You mean Oga is not going to sack me?
Your list of his worries. Get out.
Madam. Are you sure?
Boy, get back to your duty post. Nonsense.
Daddy?
Yes, dear.
You know that tomorrow is my birthday, right?
I know.
Okay. So I wouldn't be needing any physical present. I would love to have my photo shoot tomorrow morning, and much later in the day, like in the evening, I will be partying with my friends. So basically, I'll be needing some cash.
So how much are we talking about here?
Not so much. Just $1 million.
$1 million what?
I'll manage that though. I'll manage it.
You want me to give you my 1 million naira to go and throw away in the name of birthday?
Oh, come off it, Dad. You can't possibly be saying that to her. It's her birthday we're talking about here. 1 million naira is not like it's even enough. You can make it 2 million. Yes, because she has to do shopping.
Yes.
The birthday party has to be a blast.
Yeah.
We have to do some photo shoots,
and
jewelry. I mean, it's her day. Make her happy, you know.
It needs to be a blast, Daddy. You know we are classy.
That's classy.
Oh, shut up! What has come over the two of you? 2 million naira! For what?
For my part.
What?
Nonsense party.
Come off it, Dad. It's her day, her special day.
Her special day will be the day she starts to think and behave responsibly. I love you. I love you all. It is my duty to make sure that you get whatever you desire. But you must earn it. And on that note, there will be no birthday party in this house.
Thank you.
This is the end of the discussion.
I don't want water for what? I need to celebrate my birthday.
Okay, you can have my chicken.
I don't want your chicken. I want to celebrate my birthday.
Abon!
Sorry, sir. I told Madam that you will never forgive me. So I've already packed my bag. I'll just go on.
Will you come back here? What happened to the car that I parked here?
Auntie Akuna went out with it, sir.
Akuna did what?
Sir, Akuna started the car and I opened the gate and she drove out.
How could she do that? that car was showing signs of developing fault.
Oh, that means she took it to the mechanic.
Shut up! Now listen, let this be the last time you allow Akuna or her younger sister use any of these cars.
Okay, sir. So I still have a walk here. Okay.
Many times I tried to warn you that this very day will come. The moon and stars will bear me witness of my steady lullaby. Many times I tried to warn you that this very day will come. The moon and stars will bear me witness of my steady lullaby. One more, one more.
That reminds me. Aren't you going for Akuna's birthday party?
What party?
What do you mean by what party? Like you do not know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Akuna's birthday party, your blood sister, for Christ's sake.
But Daddy said there is no party.
Daddy said so? Mm-hmm. Well, the last time I checked, Daddy only said he wasn't going to give her money for her birthday party, not the other way around.
So where is she going to get the money from?
There will always be a way. Meanwhile, why don't you help her talk to Dad? I mean, you could make him see reasons.
What reasons?
What reasons? Well, sis, one of the reasons are that Dad has to give money to Akuna. Come off it. Akuna has to celebrate her birthday party. She is her daughter, his flesh and blood.
He knows that already.
And it's a special day.
He's aware of that too.
And that is not enough reason.
So you want me to tell Dad what he already knows, right?
Okay. Why are you like this? Why are you always like this? Why is that you never support me and Akuna? What have we done to you? Why do you hate us so much? Just to help us talk to Daddy to sponsor Akuna's birthday party is an issue for you. Why?
I don't get you. What do you mean?
What do I mean? You're just going to sit down there, keep pressing your part, and keep asking me what do I mean? Adane, she just spoke up. Hey, what's up, sis? Alpha, what's up? What's up with you? Coming out for what? I thought you were supposed to come and pick me up. Akuna, you will never change. I've heard you. I'll just meet you up. Okay. Aboy, open the gate for me. Hurry up.
Ah, sorry, Auntie. There is curfew.
Excuse me? Pardon? What do you mean by there is curfew? My friend, will you open the gate for me?
Auntie, don't be offended, though. Oga said I should not allow you people to go out with any of the cars again.
Are we having this conversation right now? Like, seriously? Are you for real? Open the damn gate for me! Aboy! Open the gate for me!
Auntie, sorry, there is lockdown.
Lockdown? Aboy!
Hey, make sure you come back early. Favor!
Are you at home?
What do you mean by that?
Madam, the car that was parked here now, who took it out?
That's true. Favor! Favor!
Mommy.
Where is Favor?
Mommy, Favor is not around.
No!
Where did she go to?
Mommy, I saw her driving out a while ago.
No. The car.
Mommy, don't worry, okay? I think they went for a party that they were talking about.
No! What? Why is this one shouting like a madman? Please drop that thing and get out. Drop it!
Mommy, let's go inside, don't worry. They went for a party that they've been talking about.
Many times I tried to warn you that this very day will come. The moon and stars will bear me witness of my steady lullaby.
Two times in a row, you have proven to be of no use to me in this house. You have become overtly careless, irresponsible and unproductive.
Forgive me, sir. It will never happen again, sir.
I will not wait till it happens again.
Please, leave the police out of this. Have mercy on them.
If my daughters decide to behave like thieves, they left me with no choice than to treat them like criminals they are.
Akuna, who did you sell the car to?
Mama, I do not know him. It was my friend that contacted him.
Imagine that. Did you hear her? Both you and those your criminal friends will go to jail. Just pray. Pray that nothing happens to my car.
Akuna, I can imagine you doing terrible things. But selling your father's car is totally out of it.
Mama, what could I have done? Tell me. Daddy has money, but he wouldn't give me. I needed to celebrate my birthday. He refused to give me money. I had no option.
Akuna. Oh. Akuna. Ibukum.
What is all this, Seth? What is all this? What is all this about car? I have never seen a stingy man like our father. Why is Daddy so stingy?
Daddy is too stingy. Yet he has money. Funny enough, that car has issues. The man I sold it to said that before he uses the car, he has to change the engine before he will use it. So he should be grateful for me for getting rid of that car.
He even did him a favor.
He should be grateful.
That is funny. Very, very funny. Hey! Today was fun.
Moet everywhere.
DP everywhere.
So classy.
As dope. I wish every day is my birthday. Everywhere. See that.
Darling, have a change of heart. I will caution and put them in check. Please.
And as for the car, let's report it to the police as a stolen car.
No, that won't be necessary. I've already forgotten about the car.
Really? Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, don't get too excited. That I said I have forgotten about the car doesn't mean I have forgiven them.
Thank you.
Yes, Daddy.
Please forgive us, please, Daddy.
Daddy, we are so sorry for everything we have done wrong. Please, it will never ever happen again. Never will it.
Tell me who is coming to buy me and when. I just want to prepare myself and wait for them.
No, Daddy, no one is buying you. Listen, Daddy, we can never bring ourselves to hurt you. We love you so dearly.
Daddy.
Sorry, please.
When was the last time you did something to make me smile? Tell me.
We are sorry.
You two have sworn to make sure I'll die before my time. But my God is greater than you.
Yes.
And that's why he continuously kept me alive, stronger and better every day. You can never be the end of me. Never!
Yes. Forgive them.
Instead of setting them up to display this fake apology, why don't you nurture them? Bring them close and make them better women just the way you are. Who will marry these ones if they go on this way? It will end up being someone in their class of madness. And then you can imagine the type of one they will be.
You're almost sounding like you're cursing your own children.
I am only stating the fact, my beautiful wife. Talk to your daughters. Nala.
Daddy, thank you for forgiving us. We love you.
Mommy, why does Daddy hate us so much?
Shut up! Get out!
I've thought this through, I guess.
Yes, my darling, I have. And trust me, I have made the necessary calls and I've made the necessary inquiries.
Oh.
And you know what? Once I get this loan, I will hit straight.
You can't say that again. I'm so proud of you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you too. You're doing so well for yourself. And I know that your father will be proud of you. Daddy's pet.
Aww. He's working too hard. And I'm trying to help him too. I'm just trying my best.
I can imagine. You're doing so well.
Thank you.
You're turning into the son he never had.
My dear, I've not been able to fulfill that space. Yes. Whenever he's upset, he brings it up. He blames himself for not having a son. You know?
I can imagine. When all those ones are not even helping issues.
Please, break down your voice before they will come outside here and break up your head.
But wait, I want to ask you something. Why is it that your father is not involving them in his business?
My dear, these ones, they are not even ready to learn. They are not interested at all.
The saying is true. The sharp knife has no head, but the blunt one is the one with head.
My entrepreneur friend, you've come with all this your big proverb again. Huh?
I believe you know what I'm talking about.
I know. Life is indeed funny. Yes.
You're right.
Take a drink.
Why? I can't wait to get this money. The loan.
Don't worry.
Many times I tried to warn you that is very dangerous.
Sam,
I won't. I will call up my lawyer to meet up with them.
No, you have to. That place is fast developing. Before you know it, a lot of people will rush it. Besides, the man in question is in desperate need of money. And if you delay, he might accept any other offer.
Okay. I am going to buy. But I think it's better we go from here to meet him. Then later I will alert my lawyer to follow up.
That is great. I am very happy that you are doing well. Your father will be happy for you.
I am not sure if he will be happy with me.
Why do you say so?
Do you know Akuna and Favor came to my mother's shop, picked 5 good hairs and wigs?
5 what?
Yes, when my girl was trying to stop them, they bounced on her. They end up breaking all these places. Look at it.
This is serious.
Even the product we took from Seba Ward. Do you know these girls took half of the cartons? And they went away with it. Half cartons of Seba Ward products.
See, those your sisters are lucky. They are lucky they are not my sisters. Because if they were my sisters, by now they would be in orthopedic hospital. Because I'm ready to break their legs into pieces. What rubbish.
You know, if I talk, these girls, they won't start abusing. They even want to beat me up.
Babe, arrest them.
Arrest my own sister?
Yes!
No, I cannot do that one more. Do you want them to deal with me? Do you want them to gang up and beat me up?
Really?
Yes.
Then keep trolling them. Don't complain.
My mother is here now. My mother has the right to do whatever she wants to do to her own children. I'm tired.
Babe, no one should give you headache because paracetamol is very, very expensive now.
My sister, which of them do you want? This one is for fair people. This one is for fair, and this one, you can use this one.
I want this one.
Okay. Alright, let me put you.
My daughters have sworn that I will never be a happy man.
You don't say that about your own children, Chief Donald.
I am an employer of labor. I could easily accommodate them in any of my company and pay them well. But they don't want to work. I can easily recommend them to another better company. But my daughters don't want to work. All they are interested in is eating, playing, and selling off all my property and wasting their lives.
You are kidding me.
I have done everything. I think God decided to use them to punish you. What my sin is exactly, I cannot lay my hand on.
You don't say that. Maybe their usefulness is still intoxicating them. I am sure they will outgrow it.
When? They get worse by the day. I don't know what else to do with them. Sam, I have to run. You know, I have a project in town and you and your family can buy some bread or whatever. Oh, I'll see you by the weekend.
Thank you very much. Imela.
I'll see you.
How are you? I'm fine. I want you to go to the kitchen, get things ready so that we can prepare dinner together.
I should get things ready?
Yeah.
Mommy, I can't possibly do that all by myself. Who is helping me out?
Hello. Who do you expect to join you do that? Please, hurry up. I wouldn't want your father to come and dinner is not ready.
That reminds me. Talking about Daddy, has he forgiven me? I wouldn't know. Ask him when he comes back. Mommy, why are you like this now? He's your husband. And you know I can't face him when he's angry. Isn't he your father?
Oh, you want to use me as a trap so that he will unleash his anger on me?
Mommy, I do not like what you're saying. I don't like it.
He's your father. You know how to talk to him.
Be like this.
Please hurry up. Oh.
Adam, I need you to talk to your father about his intention to arrest your sisters.
Mom, do you really think Daddy will do that?
I doubt it, but to be on the safe side, you need to calm him.
See, Mom, you also need to talk to Akuna and Favor. Their bad attitude is becoming so unbearable in this house. Please do talk to them.
Don't forget they are still your sisters.
I know.
And your duty is to protect and guide them.
I know. I'm trying my best to do that. Okay? Just that each time I try doing that, they yell at me. You know, they insult me.
I understand, my child. But don't give up on them yet.
I will not, I promise you, okay? I will do my best. They are my sisters. Don't worry.
Thank you.
I'm going to do that for your sake.
Thank you, dear.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Is that why your face is like this?
Many times I tried to warn you that it's very
Thank you so much. I trust you.
You do not need to thank me. Yes, I just wish you can change your ways and make Daddy happy. Work with him. Yes.
Sissy, please. I just think that Daddy doesn't like me at all. He doesn't.
How can you say that about that?
So how else do I explain his hostile attitude towards me?
It is bad to ignore the action and condemn the reaction that follows it. Yes, if you do not provoke Daddy, he will not scold you. Yes. Let me tell you, when I am wrong, Daddy scolds me. Yes. So you better make him happy. What?
Okay. Will you always beg Daddy to give me money when I need it?
Money? Money for what?
Because I'm broke. I need money.
You are broke?
Yes.
What did you do with the money you realized from selling the car?
Sissy, let me just tell you the truth. I did not really sell that car well. You and I know that the car is old. And they priced it down. Moreover, I had to make sure that my friends were comfortable during my birthday party. The most annoying part of it is that the useless man that bought the car hasn't completed the payment. Sissy, I'm broke, oh. I am.
Wait. Come to think of it. Daddy gives us monthly allowances. What do you do with your own?
I don't like this, oh. If you don't want to help me, you tell me. The interrogation is just too much.
Nobody is interrogating you here. I'm only asking you, what do you do with your money?
You don't have any right to ask me. It's not your business. What I choose to do with the money I have is not yours. If you want to help me, help me. If you don't want to help me, I know how to get it.
Akuna, stop frustrating Daddy. Please. Yes. Daddy has done a lot for us already. He's trying. Make him happy for once.
Easier for you to say. Daddy has been trying. He's doing this. Yes, because you're the special child. And he takes you wherever he goes. Buys you gifts, gives you money. That is when you open your mouth and be talking anyhow. Can you imagine the nonsense? Send the sermon. I don't need it. Daddy's special child. If not because mommy asked me to come to this kitchen, nothing will ever bring me to this kitchen. Nonsense. What am I even doing here? Cook the food alone.
where have you been?
I have been around.
Where in this estate is called around?
Mom, I've been outside.
Favor, you went smoking again. Do you ever imagine yourself bearing a child and watching her grow? What morals would you impact in your child? Favor, what plans do you have for your future? Go in and freshen up. Join your sisters in the kitchen.
Welcome, Daddy.
Will you get away from me? Shut your mouth. I'm tired of you two in this house. All I ever wanted was to make sure you have the best. I work so hard every day to make sure I put food on the table. Always. I cater for you. What more do you want? Why did you stab me at my back?
I'm sorry. Sorry, Dad.
Which one are you sorry for? What particular evil deed are you sorry for? Is it for using my ATM to collect money on countless times? Or conniving with your sister to sell my car? Okay, for asking my manager about my signature. No, wait. What are you two up to this time? Have you made plans to sell up this house? Tell me, what is your next move?
No, we can't even do a thing like that. Daddy, we are sorry for the one we did.
That is one word I don't want to hear anymore. I'm tired of you telling me I'm sorry when you go back repeating the same thing over and over and over again.
Daddy, we are sorry.
Listen, you two will not make me die before my time. And if I do, you realize you will never have a father like me. Never! Never!
Good morning, Jack. Are you not going to work today?
No.
Daddy, is there any problem?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine, and you're still here by this time of the day. Please talk to me. Is that done now?
There is nothing to tell you, Ada. I just don't feel like going out. My going out will not be of any use to me.
Come on, Daddy. Is it about yesterday?
It's about every of those days. It's about everything they have sworn to do. And true enough, they are living it out. I don't know what else to do. I am helpless. I can't send them away. Where exactly? What is God punishing me for?
Daddy, please stop talking like this, okay? Please. Come on, Daddy. You'll be fine. Do you want anything?
No. I just need to be left alone.
My father is down. I cannot discuss anything about money to him right now. Yes.
What's wrong with him? Is he sick?
No. He's stressed from work.
Oh, I understand. He worked way too much.
Yes.
He needs to find some time to rest.
He's doing that already.
Oh, he needs it. Advise him once in a while to take out time to rest. You know life has no duplicate.
I know. I just pray nothing happens to my dad. I pray so.
Nothing will happen to him, my friend.
Thank you very much.
You don't need to worry yourself. And you too, you need to be very, 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 very careful and take good care of yourself. So you don't end up in the hospital for high blood pressure.
Sandra, I won't. Okay? Thank you. God bless you. Once again, keep the document. Once my dad gets better, I'll let you know.
What does she even mean by that?
My dear, she said your father is not feeling well. That she can't present anything to him at this point till your father gets well.
Rubbish! And you believe her?
But she's right. Yes, we can't be telling him about money now in that type of situation. So I feel we should wait.
That means you don't know who you're dealing with. You don't know my sister. My sister is very, very cunning. I know her so well. And you know my father loves her so dearly. So even if my father is dying and my sister asks for anything, my father will do it without wasting time. So if she does not want to help you, she should just tell you than pretending.
But I'm not in a rush. With time, I will get everything I want. Yes, I'm very sure about
Sandra,
that.
you're not in a rush. You are not in a rush. I know my sister. You better act fast. I know her. So that you don't end up regretting everything. You know?
Trust me. I will. Come on, be going. Before they will suspect.
See, Adane, I trust you. I trust you a lot, and I know that your father can rely on you.
I can't imagine anything happening to my father. I don't think I can survive it.
No, Ada, you don't even need to sound like that. No, seriously, you don't even need to sound like, because nothing will happen to your father. Nothing at all. As a matter of fact, your father needs you now than ever.
I will try. But I feel so bad seeing my father worried always. It makes me feel like we have failed him, despite all he has done for I and my sisters.
Ada, all this is not your fault in the first place. Okay? And I want you to have one thing in mind. Whatever it is that happens, you have me to talk to. You can run to me anytime. I'll be there for you.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Any day.
You're welcome. Many times I
am certain both of you love life and love to enjoy yourselves, which explains why you always need money at all times.
Pastor, everybody loves money.
Including you.
Nobody came to this world to suffer.
Oh.
I mean, come to think of it. If you guys didn't love money, why collect tithes in church?
Okay, you see, I'm not going to go into that argument with you. But for how long do you wish to live this life? Yes, I totally agree that God promised that we will have life in the land of the living. But that is only for those who respect and honor their parents. In Matthew 15:4, God commands that honor your father and mother, and punishment to those that disobey their parents is death.
Hi, Pastor Ogini, why are you mentioning death here? Please, with due respect, you can say whatever you want to say here, but please do not mention death. Don't!
Are you afraid to die?
It is not about being afraid. My sister here just said that you can actually talk without mentioning the word death. Oh. Thank you.
It pleases God when you obey your parents. Just like in Colossians chapter 3, verse 20.
Listen, Pastor, I don't know the angle you are coming out from. We do respect our parents. The only problem is that we ask to be allowed to enjoy our lives as people that come from a wealthy family and not otherwise. Come to think of it, when exactly do you want us to enjoy our lives? Is it when we must have turned 80? When we'll be working with one? Is it the time you want us to enjoy our lives? When we do not know the best clubs in town to twerk our bum-bums? Is that the time we have to enjoy our lives?
When we would have already had lots of wrinkles on our faces.
I don't know.
Or maybe when we no longer know the latest bedu.
Or probably when we cannot be able to rock our Brazilian hairs.
No, my dear.
What is it? Please, Oga. It is best to do the right thing at the right time.
Yes.
And this is the right time.
You have it. It is even written in the Bible. It's written in the Bible. What verse?
It is in the Bible.
It is in the Bible, period. It's in the Bible.
Alright, let me ask you something. What if your father were to be poor and wretched?
God forbid! Pastor, at this point I have to ask you the grace. What kind of talk with that one now?
I don't know.
Do you think God is stupid? Oh. You think God is a man? You think he will take out his time to create us to be like this?
As classy!
As dope, baby! And bring us into this world, into a poor family. God forbid, not possible now. God would have had enough sense to still direct us to to a rich wealthy family. No, we're going to wear some Valentinos and some Gucci's.
Oh man, damn.
What God forbids is laziness. So I advise you both to gather yourselves, give your parents the best support they ever needed.
Are you done? Too much. Are you done?
Time
get
out.
out.
Move before we move you.
Leave our house!
Move before we move you.
Well, what will I say? It's not easy.
Pastor, I am frustrated. They don't listen. I don't know what to do with those two.
So we can only pray for them. We continue to pray for them because they are young and they are just, exhibiting their youthful exuberances.
They are not the only young people in this world, Pastor. For instance, Adanna, my daughter, is an angel. I would have lost my husband if not for her diligence and sense of responsibility. Why can't they emulate her?
Well, that is life and its complexities. You see, sometimes it throws some mysteries over us. But don't worry, I'll be praying for you and your family.
Thank you.
Then sometimes, whenever I'm free, I'll come from time to time to talk to them.
Thank you, Pastor.
You're welcome.
We appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. See you later.
Okay. Bye, Pastor.
I so enjoyed how we pushed that useless pastor out of our house. It was just scaring everybody. Did you hear what he was saying? I mean, the hint word was death. It was crazy. God, oh. Let me not have nightmare today because of death.
No, you will not. That is why we are on earth. We are so...
This is my sister. I wonder what life would have been without you.
Oh my, I love you so. You did not even allow the words of the pastor to sink into your hearts. Look at what you're doing. Mommy, what do you expect us to do? We had to drink to flush away the fear that useless man put in us. He was just mentioning death. That was too much. You were scared about death because you know that what you're doing is wrong in the sight of God. Yes. Akuna, you're well aware of the consequences of your actions. Akuna, sooner or later you will realize the damages you're doing to yourself. Favor. I'm sure you must have seen what is written behind the packet of that cigarette. In case you've not taken note of it, let me tell you what it says. That smokers are liable to die young.
Mommy, I know about it. I also know about smokers who have lived up to 150 years. And they smoked their lives out. They were chimneys.
Please, before, you used to hide and smoke. But now you sit comfortably in your father's house and smoke.
Because, Mom, life is all about step by step. And I mean, in someone's life, then you have to graduate in some certain things.
We've graduated.
Yes.
Let me tell the two of you. This life you're talking about is an individual race. I am sick and tired of saying the same thing every day. You people are not getting any younger. What is this?
Mommy, please, you know I love you so very much. And please, I don't want you to have high blood pressure.
Yes.
So just have a sip of this so you can calm yourself down.
Sip, Bupo Nwegi.
Mommy, you can try this.
Try Bupo Nwegi. Nekodi.
To make you handle that very well.
Sorry for yourselves. Nonsense.
Daddy, I want to take you somewhere.
And where is that?
Somewhere special. Somewhere very beautiful, nice. You will like it, where you will relax your nerves.
I bet you are no more nice places in this town than you do.
Come on, Daddy, don't test me. I will eat your money. Trust me, I will eat your money.
As you can see, I am well relaxed.
Come on, Daddy. You've been living in this house over 20 years now. You need somewhere you can receive fresh air. Huh?
So where do you have in mind?
It's a secret.
Oh, we are keeping secret?
No, not at all, Daddy. Not at all, no. This one is special.
Shall we now?
Of course, Daddy. Let me go and dress up. Let's go.
Where are you taking my husband to?
Mommy!
Where do you think you're taking him to?
Mommy, I'm taking Daddy to somewhere special. Don't worry, by the time I bring him back, you will thank me.
How can you two be talking about going out without me?
Oh,
is it done? I mean, who does that?
You like it, don't worry. It's just I and my dad.
Well, if I am not going with you guys, that means you will have to wait till you get married. So you can take your husband to wherever and however it pleases you.
No, Mommy. No. Daddy, no. Mommy! Please, Daddy!
I need solution. Whatever shame they bring upon me spreads to the entire family. And that includes all of you here.
You know, my brother, it is said that the abundance of the fruit causes the death of fruit lover. They have everything they need at their beck and call. That is why they take them for granted.
Mazunwike, you have a point there. So, what do I do? How do I deny them access to good life?
You don't need to deny them the basic things of life. No. You only need to delegate. Many hands, they say, make light work. Have you considered bringing them home here?
They won't be able to cope.
Huh?
Yes.
You see my point. You see my point. If we pampering. You pamper them too much. Allow them come here and face the harsh reality of life. It will set the attitude completely.
I would have loved to do that, Ichi and Wike. But that would be too much stress on you. Or whoever that will be responsible for them whenever they come down to the village.
No, Donald. This is a family affair. If we cannot help you in times of difficulty like this, why then do we bear the same surname?
Chief Donald, you have done enough for us. And if we cannot help in times like this, then we have failed you. We have failed our fathers who taught us to watch over each other's backs. Bring them home and we will look after them.
Thank you very much, Rose. This will help us a whole lot.
You don't need to thank me, Wayoma. You see those children? By the time they come home and go to the stream and fetch water a couple of times, nobody will teach them how to be humble. They will learn through humility.
I pray so, my sister.
Sam, how do I convince them to come down to the village?
You don't need to convince them. Come, this is the plan we have.
Thank you.
My mom and my dad.
You see what I was saying? I told this man to stop mentioning death. He should stop mentioning death, but yet he wouldn't listen to me. Have you seen what has happened now? He was romancing the word like it was a love song.
Death. Please, can you just stop talking? Let me concentrate. I'm driving.
If you like, you concentrate. I don't understand. See, if anything happens to my father, I will kill that man.
Nobody is dying here. Nobody should talk about death. Allow me to concentrate. Let me drive this car. Allow me.
Madam, don't drive. If you don't want to drive, you park the car. Akuna can drive. Why not to drive? You know, you kill somebody. What's the problem now? Adane. Here. What do you want to pastor? You have come your pastor. Oh,
no. Atande, allow me. Okay. Atande. If you cannot drive it back, see what you're going to do somebody. Hey! Chineke! Mother.
my mom and my dad.
You see what I was saying? I told this man to stop mentioning death. He should stop mentioning death, but yet he wouldn't listen to me. All. Have you seen what has happened now? He was romancing the word like it was a love song.
Death. Please, can you just stop talking? Let me concentrate. I'm driving.
If you like, you concentrate. I don't understand. See, if anything happens to my father, I will kill that man.
Nobody is dying here. Nobody should talk about death. Allow me to concentrate. Let me drive this car. Allow me.
Madam, don't drive. If you don't want to drive, you park the car. Akuna can drive. Why not to drive? You know, you kill somebody. What's the problem now? Adane. Here. What do you want pastor? You have come your pastor. Oh no. Adane.
Allow me.
Okay. Adane. If you cannot drive it back, see what you're going to do somebody. Hey! Chineke!
I don't come here about my parents. Yes. Oh, okay, please. Doctor, I got a call from this hospital about my parents. Okay. These are my sisters.
You must be Adana, right?
Yes.
Okay. Your parents had an accident.
Hi!
Your mom is in Ward 6.
So how do I locate? How do we locate it?
Come with me.
Okay, go. Mommy.
Jesus. She's dead though. She's what? She was dead.
No. Mommy. Have you seen what you've caused? Have you seen it? If you had allowed this woman and her husband to remain at home and enjoy themselves, all this wouldn't have happened. Have you?
Adane, first daughter, are you happy now? We forgot. Rap madna back hakro into. If we are not go couple up. Oh yeah, eat the money. Eat her. Eat her cups. Don't even try. Don't even give us that your holier than thou attitude. What's this?
Where is my husband?
Mommy. Please don't be over.
Mommy, leave mommy breast alone.
Mommy.
Hear me witness of my steady lullaby. Many times I tried to warn you that this very day will come. The moon and stars will bear me witness of my steady lullaby. One more.
He'll be alright, okay? His next infection is by 4. Who's the right person to talk to as regards your father's health and treatment?
Doctor, please talk to me.
Okay. Your mother is fast recuperating, as you can see. She should be up in a couple of hours. But for your father, he lost a lot of blood and he's got fractured.
Doctor, what's the solution? What do we do?
Well, it's treatment. And that treatment requires money.
Okay, how much is it?
See me in the office before you leave. I have a patient to attend to.
Oh, okay. Come on. They're asking for 500,000 naira for proper treatment. I have taken care of that already.
How is he?
Bad. Very bad. I am afraid, Mama.
No, don't say that again. You'll be alright. I know you'll be fine. Your father is a strong man. My husband, I know, is a strong man.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Please excuse me.
Just go. Go to him.
Akuna, I have to stay back to take care of Dad and Mom, so go home and prepare something for us, okay?
Sister, I don't understand. What do you mean I should go? Is there no place around here we can ask where people have to eat?
Excuse me?
Excuse you what? Why are you so wicked? You actually expect me to drive home, cook, then drive all the way back? Now one for you. Let's buy food around here now. This is very stressful.
Stressful? To prepare something for your dad and mom who is down?
Akuna, why's your face? What's going on?
She's the problem.
What is it?
I don't understand though. She wants me. No, she wants us to drive all the way home, cook and bring for mommy. When there are places around here, fast food, where we can actually buy food for mommy to eat. Why are you like this?
Adani, Mama, no, are you for real? Don't be ridiculous, please. Why do we have to go all the way to the house to cook and bring it back here? Sweat and all our makeup will be ruined. When we have lots of fast food here to buy food for.
Is that not wickedness? Is that not wickedness?
Hey! Okay, you know what? You want us to cook, right? We cook for you. Give us money.
What money? What money? You have everything you need in the house. There is foodstuffs, there is gas, there is everything. Why you silence my voice?
Bring your voice down. I thought you're a civilized woman. You are here shouting. Don't you know this place is the hospital?
Yes. What are you looking at? You're shouting. Mind your business. You're shouting. Check and being us.
Okay. You want us to go for mommy?
Yes.
Okay, so what exactly do you want us to go for?
Anything nice.
This and content.
No,
It's my option. We don't do it. What I go? No, son name Kena, sir. Bring fried rice. We do fried rice and turkey.
You're giving fried rice.
Yeah. That is go slow with fried rice and turkey. To make them
Swallow.
fast.
No, she's right. Let's make.
To make the heavy, they will not wake up fast.
Oh, thank you very much.
You want us to cook?
Yes. Please.
Go slow.
This one cook.
Fried rice,
Yes.
turkey. Here for the very soon.
Okay, please hurry up.
Hurry up.
Don't worry.
Thank God they accepted to go. Thank God.
Yes. I just checked your father's blood pressure. It is relatively above normal. I think it's something else other than the accident.
Doctor, I can't really tell. Yes, it could be more stress and all that.
This is beyond work stress.
Doctor.
Once your father gets out of that condition, we need to place him under close watch to avoid him developing cardiac arrest or stroke.
No, doctor.
Yes.
Yes, Mom.
It doesn't look like the food is coming at all.
We have been calling them since, but they are not picking the calls. It's okay.
Don't worry. You're right.
Are you sure, Mom?
See, I'm not really that hungry.
No, Mom, you need to eat something. You need to eat food so that the drugs don't work on you. Okay?
I know, but I want you to go and look after your father. I'll be fine.
No, Mom, I need to get you something to eat. You need to eat, okay, Mom? Please.
Okay.
Get good food around here?
Sure, it's not even far from here. Just the first street by your left, once you step past. Okay. They have good food there.
Do you have any idea if they use POS?
Yes, they do. It's a very big eatery.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You know, I would have come to the hospital, but I love my job. I cannot leave the gates. Yeah.
Sorry, huh?
So,
let me just walk into the house, then go back and see Ada nurse to make sure she's fine.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome, ma.
God will bless you.
Amen, ma. Thank you very much.
Don't worry, I can go in.
Are you sure with your condition?
Just go and take care of Adana for me.
It's alright, I will. Okay, come and walk her into the house. Oh, please be fast then so you can get the gate.
Okay. Sorry, ma.
Mommy, thank God. I have missed you so much.
Yes, Mommy, we missed you.
Mommy, you know, I was so scared last night. I thought I was going to lose you.
Yes, Mom. I was so worried. I couldn't even eat.
Oh my goodness, how are you, Mommy? I hope you're good now.
Oh! It didn't work out.
We messed up big time.
What do you do?
My phone too.
Ada, what does she want this time? I don't.
Hello, Ada. She said Daddy wants you and I now.
Oh, did you close? Let's go.
Adanaya.
Yes, Daddy.
Favor.
Yes, Daddy.
Akunaya.
Yes, Daddy.
I love all of you. I love you unconditionally. All I ever wanted was to give you the best any child will ever want. I may have failed in that, but I am fulfilled because I am convinced deep down that I have done my best. Forgive me for a few times I may have made you feel less of yourselves, but that was in the bid to bring out the best in you. You are all the best gift God has given me. The best endowment from God is the three of you. I love you all. I'll continue to love you till I die.
My brother knew his time was up. It was only 2 weeks ago that he finally agreed to allow his children to be brought home to spend some time. May his gentle soul rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
We are here for you. We will make sure you lack nothing. We owe you that. In the real sense of it, Ada, this is your home.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you.
Ozuko, stop crying. Ozuko, it's okay. It's okay. Your uncles are now your father. All you people need to do is to accord them with the respect they deserve. Huh? You know we love you. Huh? That's why we are here, to make sure that you lack nothing. Ozuko, huh? Donald is gone. He's gone. Donald, go. He's strong.
It's okay. Adam, Ozuko, carry. Let's go.
Let's
go. Akuna, people should take heart. It has happened. Whatever happened, you have to give all honor to God.
Don't. And look after your mother. Console her. Huh? Don't.
Sisters, we will all die someday. The goal is not to live forever, but to have a lasting legacy that will live even when we all leave this world. Your father was a good man, and his good deeds and legacy are everywhere for all to see. When I see the both of you, I thank the good Lord for what...
Mom, like seriously? Mommy, do not tell me that we are going to be living in this village.
Ha! This is your father's house. And this is where you belong.
No, Mommy, we do not belong here. I mean, how can we possibly live here? I can't imagine myself living in this place. I mean, it's not done. No.
You would not have to imagine it. You're living it already.
No way, Mother. It is not possible. How do you expect us to survive here?
This dirty, disgusting place. I mean, did you see everyone out there? They look like mad people. Old-fashioned people. How do I cope with them? I can't stay here, please. My children, let me tell you. Nobody cares to know if you descended from heaven here. And if you tries to show how condescending you can be, they will humble you to the last. So it is better you start learning how to adapt now.
Adapt where, Mom?
Here,
we can't possibly adapt in this place. How? Mother! This is not happening. I mean, this has to be a big joke, right? It has to be a big joke.
Mother, you have to do something. There is no way we can stay here. I can't even fathom it.
Yes! We can't stay here.
If you cannot stay in your father's house, where would you rather be?
Ask them.
Mother, thank you. Where we've been all this while. I mean, where we grew up. Where we are used to. Why this place?
Really? You better start getting used to this place. Yes.
I don't understand. Is this some sort of gang up between you and Mom? I don't get.
Mother, I will die, you. I will die. I can't survive here, please. You may not need to go around the entire people's houses one by one. I'll take you to a few people that are closer to us. Oh, thank you very much. It got me worried at first. I can't imagine myself going round the entire village. Thank you.
Mommy, the water is not running anymore.
Did you not see your auntie seated here?
Or have you gone blind?
I'm sorry. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm not fine. The tap is not running anymore. I need water in this house.
Hi, maybe the water in the tank is finished.
So what do we do now?
You have to join others and go to the stream and fetch water now.
Auntie, what are you saying? That's a big joke, right?
My dear, I may be everything to you, but definitely not your joke mate.
Mommy, why are you mute? Say something.
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
Mommy, is there no way we can get water supply?
There is no way. Even if there is, we don't need them. Because we have good stream here. Everybody uses it.
Mommy, we are not everybody. We are Chief Donald Dikeh's children. We are not just everybody.
Please, I am having a serious conversation here with your auntie. Let me be.
Mommy, I don't like this thing you're doing.
Let me be. Ah.
Hey. Now I understand what my late brother has been complaining about. This one is handful.
Akuna is more than a handful.
Anyway. My dear, here we make rules that everybody must abide by. And one of those rules is that you must participate in every given chores. Those rules are flexible and mild. For instance, if you don't fetch water, you will not drink water. If you don't partake in cooking and fetching firewood for the food, there will be no food for you. But of course, you have options of hiring someone to do all that for you.
Now I know why most of you are very wretched in this village. You have the ability to upgrade yourselves, to upgrade your lives, but no, you wouldn't. You prefer suffering. I am sorry, madam, I wasn't brought up that way.
Such is the complexity and diversity of this simple life, my dear.
I am not your dear. My name is Akuna.
Akuna! You must calm down. No? That woman over there has suffered enough of your excesses.
Please! Let me hear what? What's the meaning of that? Oh, she told you that? Well, I don't blame any of you. I don't! If my father were to be alive, would I be here exchanging words with you? Nonsense. Rubbish.
Children, when their heads are still hot like this, they feel they can carry the world on their head. And I'll go chinti na yesu. Mwambacha.
Hello, Mike. It's Akuna. Mike, please, I want to beg you for a favor. Yeah, okay. I need the sum. How much? I need some of 50,000 naira from you. But don't worry, once I get back to the city, I'll give you the money. Hey, you're such a nice person. Thank you. Wait, hello? Hello? Hello, Mike. Network. What kind of English network is this? Hey, well, let me call him again.
Is he ringing?
Hey, he's doing tonto.
Hey!
Bad network.
You see why I am tired of staying in this village?
I
mean, how long are we supposed to survive like this with this bad network? Does it make sense? What did you do for all these punishments now?
I'm tired. I need to wash my hands. We don't have water anymore. Okay, Adani just passed with water. Hey, we can wash our hands.
Are you sure?
I lost you.
Blood is thicker than water. Let my sorrow wash away. Oh, my heart is feeling pain. Papa, I wanna know. Abukwa wene muchoro mukwo. Edi bere muya nikino. Fawara mo iwe wene arageru no.
Bring back that water.
Sis, it's not your water. It's the water from the stream now.
From the stream? I told you girls to follow me to the stream to go and fetch water, but you refused. And you're here collecting my water. Nonsense! You want to use my water? Rubbish!
Mommy, we know we haven't been best of children to you. That is why we have come to ask for your forgiveness. Mommy, please. Anyhow, anyway, we have gone wrong. We are asking you to please find a place in your heart and forgive us. Forgive us and free us from this bondage. Mommy, this punishment is becoming way too much for us to bear. We honestly want to go back home. We need to go back home, Mother.
Yes, Mommy. Akuna is right. Mother, please, this place is not conducive for us. I mean, take a good look at me. I'm almost red in complexion. The weather is harsh.
Horrible.
There's no good network. There's mosquitoes, sandflies, and I can't even cope here.
Horrible.
Mother, please, if there's anything we have done to deserve this punishment, forgive us. We want to go, please.
Listen to me. Nobody is punishing anybody for anything. You are supposed to be here, mourning your father for 4 native weeks. That's the custom.
Mommy, what are you saying? We don't belong here. We are not supposed to be part of this obnoxious custom at all.
Sometimes if you talk, I wonder if you did suckle these breasts of mine.
Of course, I suckled. You told me that I suckled even better than every other person.
Then, where did this foolishness of yours spring from?
Where? Mommy, all these things you're saying is confusing me. Mommy, I personally want my life back. We need our lives back. We need it back before we go mad.
Nobody is going nowhere. We are not going anywhere till we conclude your late father's mourning.
But Mother, we can also complete it from there. Also mourning from here, and when picking complexion, guys, they do a bab. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Mommy, we can mourn him from anywhere we are. We have done everything, virtually everything. We have cried our eyes out. It's not like there's any physical thing we are doing here. Mommy, I will go mad though.
Run mad. Run mad for all I care. See, the earlier you stop bothering me with all these things you're saying, the better for all of us. You people are bothering me.
Are we bothering her?
You are bothering me with all these things.
Mommy, I will mad though. I will mad though.
Go ahead.
I will mad though.
I'm telling you.
Mommy, I don't like this. I don't like this.
Akona, you are supposed to mourn your father according to our tradition. Things don't work out that way here.
What are you really saying? This whole thing is just a mess. Now come to think of it. No, you tell me. Of what importance is it for me to leave my business in the city and remain here in the village all in the name of mourning? Tell me!
Business?
Yes!
You said business? Oh well, the Akona I know is not business inclined. Unless you are talking about squandering someone else's money. And that is a very bad business.
Excuse you? What's the meaning of this nonsense you just spewed? The Akona you know. Or you meant to say the Akona you were lied to about. Mr. Man, you don't know me. And I don't even intend knowing you either. You don't know me, Oga.
You mean your father could lie to me about you?
My father could have possibly told you tales about me, which are untrue. And I do not know what he intended to achieve. But that is not my business. That is not what has brought me here.
My daughter.
Please. I am not your daughter, Oga. I am not.
Okay. Sorry.
Better.
May you remind me what brought you here?
Freedom. What have we done to you? Allow us to go back to the city where we belong. I am tired of living in this place.
Well, I cannot help you. Now, get out of my house. Out!
This is unbelievable. Now, get out of my house. What do you call a house? Listen, do not overpride yourself with this caricature you call a house. You know, if not that my father is late, nothing would have brought me to this horrible and stinking place you call a home. Rubbish.
I thought you were my sister, and we will be together, holding one another.
Hey! Dona Dikeh! Hey, Moya! Go!
Are you mad?
No, man, that's why we mashed my brain.
No, you wanted to hit my leg?
No, I don't want. That's not my brain. Okay?
You're still talking.
Sorry.
Richard, shut up! Shut up! Idiot. Foolish man. What did happen here? They are mad. Who are these fools? What happened? Who is this lunatic?
See this was small daughter, this small girl, as a small rich.
What did she do?
She gave my beat one of my man. This small girl like this now. You know what?
I am the one that is raving mad. Thank you. You are very, very stupid. What did you have to come to my father's number and be talking anyhow? Are you mad? With Okada. You're not the one that's anyhow. Are you mad? No, that's your ghost.
Guys. Okay, wait. Okay, this is because your papa get money for this place. You say you're going to do anyhow for this place. You didn't say you're going to do anything for this place.
Try it! Shut up, your man. What is your problem? What is it? Nabiko, forgive them. If not for any other thing, for my sake.
This small girl where they like this night. This say because you come from a very rich family.
What is your problem? What is your problem with me? Mommy, wait! I don't know what is it. Let me tell you what happened. Because he's saying that the man did not do me anything. I was walking on my own, Jeje. The useless man almost hit me with his useless bike. And you expect me to keep quiet? Wanted to spoil my beautiful skin with his useless bike.
A man with 8 children. I got the work actually one. You were going to the village.
Just try any nonsense.
Up nepa. Inga court, okay? Inga just court side jajana.
Come to me! Come to me! What is all this now? Akuna! I will slap you! Keep quiet!
Madam Ozuko, for peace to reign, my village here from Nakudocha, 20,000 naira must come out here. Guys, ask can they? Chairman,
20,000 kill you there. 5 crates kill you. Murder you.
I can tell you about. 20,000 naira.
And 5 crates. I will pay.
Oh yes, we will pay.
Please,
we will pay.
For peace to reign, I will pay.
We will pay. We will pay.
Think you so. See you so. Ulelu. Onwaro. I get one a very good debt.
We will pay. It's okay. Okay, please. Oh.
Oh my God. I wonder how people, cope with this kind of place. And they're still okay. They still have their mental state. I cannot cope here.
Same here.
If I stay here one more day, I might just run mad.
Did you say run mad? Anyway, it is easy for you to say that because you have every opportunity to escape from here. Yes. Don't you know that we envy you people?
My sister, it's not easy. I'm so bored and irritated. Shut! What is wrong with you, woman? Have you lost your sanity?
I wonder.
So, who amongst us here is your daughter? Obviously not me.
Certainly not me.
You guys should just take it easy on her. The poor woman was just trying to be friendly with you both.
No. She should not be friends with us. Madam, if your senses are still intact, you will know that it is very wrong for you to go about hugging people that do not know you. Haven't you heard of social distancing? Don't you know that we have coronavirus in town? Do you want to infect us with your virus?
And she's even going about hugging everybody without, no gloves, no mask.
Horrible!
Dummy.
I'm only trying to welcome you people, eh?
Welcome who?
Don't welcome us!
Okay,
Yeah!
oh, Jesus.
Come, let's go! Come!
Go with her! Akuna! Go and sanitize yourself! Go and have yourself sanitized! Go with her! It's you! Favor! Akuna!
From here down to the bank of belong to your father.
My father?
Your father bought it when he intended to establish an industry here. Unfortunately, we cannot question God. Your father laid a very good foundation for you. And if you will be lucky enough to get a good man to marry, you will make a happy and beautiful home.
Thank you, Uncle.
Do you have anybody on the line already?
Of course, Uncle. What do you expect? A lot of them will be coming around because of my father's status, yes. But it's difficult to find a good one. But right now, I'm not thinking about it. I really want to concentrate on my father's business. So...
A wise thought.
Thank you.
That's a very good feel.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Remember, you're a woman.
Uncle, I know. Yes, I know.
And someday, you have to get married and build your own home.
It's okay, Uncle. Don't worry. I'll let you know when I find the perfect one, okay?
That's all right.
Thank you.
That's all right.
God bless you.
What exactly are we even doing here? Uncle, why have you people refused to listen to our cries?
Maybe because your cries are fake. You can do something better than cry.
What do you mean fake? What do you mean?
So you want me to just explain that to you?
Ichi, Isn't it obvious that we do not understand what you're saying? I mean, explain to us. It will not kill you. It will hurt you.
Okay. When you want something badly, what do you do?
If the thing is very important to me, I will go after it desperately. That's if it's worth it, though.
What about you?
If it's something that money can get, I will use my last couple to get it. If it's worth it too.
Good. Both of you are right. So, I guess you know what to do now.
Naya, I don't understand. Are you trying to say that we should bribe you to get our freedom?
No, you just said it.
Wait. How much are we looking at? How much are we talking about?
Look, I'm running late for a meeting. If you need me, you know where to find me.
Ichie, see if I found you now. What do we do next? I'll meet you and ask him now.
Don't worry about them. I pray for her. Ora game junior those children. Don't worry about them. With time they'll get tired of their exorbitance.
Auntie, that is what we've been hoping for. Yes, but things seems not achievable.
Your utmost concern now should be your mother's health. You don't have to allow her to break down, will you?
I won't, Auntie. I promise.
That's the spirit. Always remember to call me when you need me.
I promise.
Yeah, for you.
Thank you very much, Auntie. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Auntie, I have to go now. I have to go back inside.
Thank you.
Bye.
I thought you were my sister, that we would be together, holding one another. Dikeh, as you know, Lord, I wanna know.
Hey, no.
You can water for us. Wow, thank you very much. That's kind of you. Can you take it there?
Who is paying you?
Paying you? How?
I don't understand.
It's a daughter tall fair auntie. She said I should bring water that you're going to pay me.
Wait. Which of the auntie?
I don't know her name, but she's tall, she's fair.
You mean Favor? Akuna? Oh. It's okay. How much is the water?
120 naira.
Oh, okay. Don't worry. Let me get the money, okay?
Yes, just.
Ako, how much are you girls giving Mazuiki? My dear, when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Yes, sir.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Me, I am tired of staying in this village. I just want to go. Hey, this sunfly mosquito is too much now.
Too much.
Hey!
Yeah. Wasn't all this boy sent on an errand? Come here. Kuleba, were you not the one that asked to drop water in our house?
Excuse me, I've dropped the water.
You have dropped it? Ah. I hope she gave you something.
Yes, she even paid me more than.
Mother. She gave you more than. How much did she give you?
She gave me 2,000.
2,000? 2,000? For what? Wait. Did you dig another borehole in our compound?
Or maybe you took the village stream to our compound.
No, it's just only the water right.
You didn't? I wiped you 2,000.
Just like that.
You were not. Oh my God.
Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's a bad. When are you getting a corona?
It's a virus.
Turn. I said turn.
Yes. Are you mad?
Stop. I give you 2,000 email. Can you hear me? What do you do? Take this money. 200 naira. Go. Take this also. Take this also. Also, you see there? I said run. 2,000 naira for what?
This thing you people did is not right. So at least the poor boy tried.
How? Yes, so
it's not fair. It's not fair. Exactly.
And it's also not right to be walking around with classless people.
People that are not as classy as top.
Favor. Listen, we are leaving. And I don't want to see these two left legs of yours If you ever move any inch close to us, the slap I will give to you, eh? If I slap you, your eardrum will receive a laugh. Ako, if you come across on what I can come up on, Trevor.
I told them. I told those boys, but they wouldn't listen. How can you compare this village with loud? They go loud. You just say, just one. Oh my God! You think okay?
Where have you two been all day?
And what sort of stupid question is that? I mean, are we supposed to answer that question? Maybe we should take permission before we step out of the house. Because of you, okay?
Or maybe we should apply for exit before we are allowed to stroll around the village. Excuse you? I don't understand that. And wait, Adane, you think we don't know what you have done? You think we do not know that you connived with those people to tie us down? You think I don't know?
Do not be ridiculous.
What do you mean I shouldn't be ridiculous? Don't even try to give me that holier than thou attitude of yours. What do you mean I shouldn't be ridiculous?
Where do we go?
You think I do not know it is out of your wickedness that made mommy not to buy water for us? You think I don't know? Just take a very good look at us.
I wonder.
You want us to be going to the stream to fetch water with those village urchins? Don't you know that we are classy?
So classy as though.
There is nothing classy being lazy. Yes. So sending someone to the stream to fetch water for you makes you classy.
What is classy? Ask her. Adane, if I may ask you, what is classy? Answer! Look at you. You're very, very wicked. We are your sisters, yet you don't give us anything. Somebody brought ordinary 4 gallons of water and you had the mind to bring 2,000 naira and give to the... A whole 2,000 for what?
No, wait. Let me ask you a question.
That money that you gave to that young boy,
was it your money?
It's my money.
It is not your money.
It's my money.
So I thought that's money.
Oh, girl.
Spend it with caution. Spend it with caution. It's not your money. You want to be go? Talking about Maja, a wicked human being. This girl is very wicked.
Adene is wicked.
Very wicked.
How much are you girls giving Mazuiki?
My dear, when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Yes, sir.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Me, I am tired of staying in this village. I just want to go. Hey, this sunfly mosquito is too much now.
Too much.
Hey! Yeah. Wasn't all this boy sent on an errand? Come here. Kuleba, were you not the one I asked to drop water in our house?
Excuse me, I've dropped the water.
You have dropped it? Ah. I hope she gave you something.
Yes, she even paid me more than.
And Anokwa? She gave you more than? How much did she give you?
She gave me 2,000.
2,000? 2,000? For what? Wait. Did you dig another borehole in our compound?
Or maybe you took the village stream to our compound.
No, it's just only the water right.
You didn't? I wiped you 2,000.
Just like that.
You were narrow. Oh my God.
Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's a bad. Where are you getting a corona?
It's a virus.
Tom. I said Tom. Yes. Are you mad? Stop. I take you 2,000 in again. Can you hear me? What do you do? Take this money. 200 naira. Go. Take this also. Take this also. Also, you see there? I said run. 2,000 naira for what?
This thing you people did is not right. So at least the poor boy tried.
How?
Yes, so...
It's not fair. It's not fair.
Exactly.
And it's also not right to be walking around with classless people.
People that are not as classy as top.
Favor. Listen, we are leaving. And I don't want to see these 2 left legs of yours. If you ever move any inch close to us, the slap I will give to you, if I slap you, your eardrum will receive a laugh. Apple, if you come across on what I can come up, Favor.
I told them. I told those boys, but they wouldn't listen. How can you compare this village with loud? They go loud. You just say, just one. Oh my God!
Where have you two been all day?
And what sort of stupid question is that? I mean, are we supposed to answer that question? Maybe we should take permission before we step out of the house. Because of you, okay?
Or maybe we should apply for exit before we are allowed to stroll around the village. Excuse you? I don't understand that. And wait, Adane, you think we don't know what you have done? You think we do not know that you connived with those people to tie us down? You think I don't know?
Do not be ridiculous.
What do you mean I shouldn't be ridiculous? Don't even try to give me that holier than thou attitude of yours. What do you mean I shouldn't be ridiculous? Where do we go? You think I do not know it is out of your wickedness that made mommy not to buy water for us? You think I don't know? Just take a very good look at us. I wonder. You want us to be going to the stream to fetch water with those village urchins? Don't you know that we are classy?
As though classy as though.
There is nothing classy being lazy. Yes. So sending someone to the stream to fetch water for you makes you classy.
What is classy? Ask her. Adane, if I may ask you, what is classy? Answer! Look at you. You are very, very wicked. We are your sisters, yet you don't give us anything. Somebody brought ordinary 4 gallons of water and you had the mind to bring 2,000 naira and give to the... A whole 2,000, no? For what? No, wait. Let me ask you a question.
That money that you gave to that young boy,
was it your money? It's my money.
It is not
It's
your money.
my money.
So I thought that's
Oh, girl. Spend it with caution. Spend it with caution. It's not your money. You want to go up with? Talking about Mama on wicked human being. This girl is very wicked. Adene is wicked. Very wicked though. Nothing. Nothing. We are only asking for that which is due to us. Exactly.
Your father barely rested in the great beyond. And you're already asking for a share of his property.
Mother, it's over 2 weeks for crying out loud. He has rested enough. Besides, we need to take you to the city. Oh yes. You need a man who will maintain and service you.
Gia, my sister.
Yes.
Down there needs to be cooked.
Yes, you need a man that will maintain and service you, mother. Your husband is married in the world beyond, and you're here stressing yourself over nothing.
Akuna. Just again, eh? Hey, go stop him.
Daddy's girl. Wadieba, and don't even talk to me. Stay in your space and allow us to stay in ours. Do you understand? That you have access to everything our father owned does not give you the right to judge us. You don't have that right. You see, today we are getting everything that truly belongs to us. Yes, everything. Because even the Bible said it. The Bible said it. Possess.
And that same Bible says that the dead feels nothing. Mother, he is dead and long gone. We need to move on. What is all this now?
Listen to me, oh. Anybody that tries to stop us today, God, anybody that tries to stop us today, will take whatever that rightly belongs to us. Heads will roll, oh. Heads will roll out of this place. And whose head will roll? That's you!
Idiot! Stupid! Rubbish! If I hear any pain from any of you again, I will make sure I deal with you. Rubbish! Nonsense!
Mother, let's get out of here. Useless girls. Look at them. Eh? Somebody will not rest. Hey.
Jesus.
Favor. You were here and Adane slapped me.
Okay, hey.
Don't get to slap me! Whoa! Whoa!
Why did you have to tie white? There's no brown over here. Damn, you guys are so low.
This time now, collect
This
small
what?
see.
No,
Check
I
am
don't
well.
smoke this cheap shit.
I'm telling you, this one go enter you. Trust me. Check
Before
am
you
well now.
reach,
Check
before you
am
reach
well.
the middle, you go knock you.
They smell like good shit.
Ah, forget that matter. This time you go see am. I tell you.
I hear say life for city be difficult past villa here. Not you.
You guys don't have anything in this villa. I mean, what's there? The green grass, the wood, the dirty environment. Of course. But you know, you have to work hard
Well, don't be like you. But I mean, if you check on well, you know to get more difference. Like, you know, like down here or like over there in the city. I guess the things they very, very much expensive. Unlike here, maybe say almost everything they kind of cheap. You know, something if you get arranged for like 2H.
Or there it should be like 5 each or 7 each. Never can't think.
But you must say, you're not supposed to ask me that question. It's very obvious. I mean, the way you guys are looking, your dirty top, your shoe, your hairstyle, your brown eyes, your dirty lips. Just take a good look at me. No, take a very good look at me. From my hair to my skin. It took a whole lot of money to maintain, to get to this point. Do I look like all those your village girls that has a lot of pimples and black spots on their faces? No way. My dear, money is the natural bleaching cream.
Hey! But this one enter. Hey! Like how by I swear to Why your God?
Emeka, ina nguzi goof.
I'm not smoking, no. I'm testing it.
Oh, I see. You are only testing it. Tell me, how does it...
Hey, bros! What did it worry you? What is your problem? No, tell me, what is the meaning of this question right now? I thought you were passing pass now.
Machi, what kind of woman sits among boys, smoking and drinking in broad daylight if not a prisoner?
And what type of a man at your age that will not learn to mind his business? Oh, you expect me to smoke in secret and then come out and be a pretender like you? Oh, more about a sucking demon. Look at him. Useless man, please get out.
I can see that you are gradually getting used to this prison of yours. Machi, I bet you know nothing. Practically nothing.
Hey!
You're just wasting...
Joba, I know everything. I know every single thing. The difference is that I am not wearing a red cap. I didn't make you just already in. And the difference is that I didn't but I don't suck people's blood in the night. I don't fly in the midnight. Do you understand it? Let me make it very clear to you. Mind your business. It's not that hard.
Give me that cigarette.
What? Hey! No, but you saw it though.
Sorry. I wanna.
No, you go back here. You people. Why are you not you? Who's on your own? Okay. And you sir, that. You. Come on, boss, okay. Hey, yeah. Hey, you come here.
I've been chasing you all the way from that place.
Chasing me?
Yeah.
For what?
I've been trying to catch up with you. You know,
Catch up with me for what? And why are you sweating like some he goat that's under the heat? I don't understand. What's going on?
No, there are some things you said about the city. I mean, they're really so very inspiring. So
Things I said about the city?
Yes.
What about it?
Ayubi now, I want to go to the city. I'm tired of this village.
Excuse me? What did you say?
I'd like to go to the city.
You would like to go to the city?
Yes.
Anyways, I do not run a transport company. As a matter of fact, the city would not accept a son of a wretched, useless, a non-entity. Especially one that is I mean, you're so wretched. Get the hell out of my sight, please.
No, see. You're not understanding me at all.
Make me to understand you.
Okay, see. You know,
Oh, please, take this.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I would actually love to go to the city, you know. But I don't know anybody there.
So
I was thinking that maybe we could be friends.
Do you have issues with your ears? Taos or pechigente? No, wait. What have you on the wall? Don't you understand it? Oh, wait!
So just because I sat down to take some cheap drinks with you, some stinking, I don't even understand, it's not like it even makes me high. Some cheap marijuana, you don't think we're of the same class? I mean, we are mates, and you have to chase after me all the way from there? When you were coming after me from there, didn't you perceive the smell of my perfume? Can't you see me? These are the kind of people that should be in the city. Not you! You see that perfume? The price will not only train your whole family, it will take care of your whole generations years to come. Yes! Don't you ever stop me again. You son of a wretched, useless, dopeless palm wine tapper. Huh?
What do they want money for?
What else, if not to waste it on designer clothes, drinks, and party?
Have they ever thought of maybe investing in any kind of business?
None of them has said anything.
Is it not when you have money that you think of investing in any kind of business? Have you ever seen anyone that invested in any type of business without money? Are we magicians?
Now, let me ask you. If you're giving some amount of money now, what kind of business can you start profitably?
Well, there are so many types of business. So many I can actually invest my money in. And I need to prove to my family that I am not useless by spending the money judiciously.
How?
First of all, I will have to spend the little part of money on you by teaching you common sense and minding your business by staying put in your husband's house.
You son! I am not your mother. You think you can be running your mouth anyhow? You do not want to see the other side of it.
Please keep quiet! What other side of you do you want to show to me that I have not seen already? What other side? And God forbid bad thing that somebody like you would ever be my mother.
Akonda!
Mother, please don't even call me. Don't call me. What right does she have to come into my father's house and threaten me? What right do you have?
Have you forgotten she's your auntie for
Auntie, my foot! Rubbish. Nonsense.
Hey! Caro! Ọwụrụ mgbe m nọ na-agba ọbịa. Nneta nwa gị ma hekpashịa ya ukwu.
I'm sorry about that.
Favor! Jesus Christ. What is wrong with you? Are you sick? Why do you have to scream my name like that? Are you a masquerade? Don't you have sense? Do I need to go and buy you sense in the market?
Favor. What joy do two of you in particular get in living a reckless life?
And what reward does jobless and useless people like you get for meddling into people's affairs? Don't you dare try it. Is something wrong with you?
You want to fight me?
It is very obvious that you're so jobless. But the next time you will try this, I will piam Ganya.
you imagine? Fool. To come and take my secrets.
Hey! Hi, Chineke! This one smokes goof. Can I want a goof? Is this what my brother called children? Hey!
My people, things don't work that way here.
And who is talking about how things work here? We are talking about how things work in the real world. In the world of progressive and innovative people. Not in the world of some backward people who have vowed to remain in the shackles of some obnoxious tradition.
Hey, young woman, curb your tongue. There is a limit to the level of insult I can tolerate from you. I am not your father who lets you get away with your insolence.
Well said. You are not my father and you will never be. Please, you don't have right to force me into believing in what you believe because you did not give life to me.
What exactly do you want, Akonaya?
Just as my name connotes, Akonaya. My father did not give me that name for nothing because he knew right from time that his wealth is for his children. But the sad thing is, he never imagined that a day would come when his kinsmen will connive with his wife and his first child to withhold his wealth, to the detriment of the two most hated in the family.
That is a grave accusation, Akona.
Yes, she is making point. Or is she not? If you feel my sister here is not making points, then I am sure it is your old age that is stopping you. What are we doing here? She just said the truth. Share the property.
Exactly.
And then we move on.
Yes.
How prepared are you people
Whoa.
to start life on your own? Look, what business plan have you made? It is said that the heap of yam a farmer will harvest depends on the number of mouths he's able to plow.
Forget whatsoever whosoever said. It does not hold water. Mazinwike, talk to them. Talk to them, oh.
Well, I would have loved to talk to them, but you forgot to bring the money as agreed.
What money are you talking about?
What's the money? Ichi, what money are you talking about?
Oh, you forgot. So it means I've nothing to say here.
What money is he talking about?
Mommy, I don't know exactly what he's talking about.
What
Maybe you
money?
should ask him.
Our dear wife, your two warriors came to me and offered to pay me so that I convinced my brothers to let them go and share their father's property.
Hey, yes.
Akona, you are supposed to mourn your father according to our tradition. Things don't work out that way here.
What are you really saying? This whole thing is just a mess. Now come to think of it. No, you tell me. Of what importance is it for me to leave my business in the city and remain here in the village all in the name of mourning? Tell me!
Business?
Yes!
You said business? Oh well, the Akona I know is not business inclined. Unless you are talking about squandering someone else's money. And that is a very bad business.
Excuse you? What's the meaning of this nonsense you just spewed? The Akona you know. Or you meant to say the Akona you were lied to about. Mr. Man, you don't know me. And I don't even intend knowing you either. You don't know me, Oga.
You mean your father could lie to me about you?
My father could have possibly told you tales about me, which are untrue. And I do not know what he intended to achieve. But that is not my business. That is not what has brought me here.
My daughter.
Please. I am not your daughter, Oga. I am not.
Okay, sorry.
Better.
May you remind me what brought you here?
Freedom. What have we done to you? Allow us to go back to the city where we belong. I am tired of living in this place.
Well, I cannot help you. Now, get out of my house. Out!
This is unbelievable. Now, get out of my house. What do you call a house? Listen, do not overpride yourself with this caricature you call a house. You know, if not that my father is late, nothing would have brought me to this horrible and stinking place you call a home. Rubbish.
I thought you were my sister, and we will be together, holding one another.
Hey! Dona Dikeh! Hey, Moya!
What exactly are we even doing here? Eh? Uncle, why have you people refused to listen to our cries?
Maybe because your cries are fake. You can do something better than cry.
What do you mean fake? Eh? What do you mean?
So you want me to just explain that to you? Eh?
Ichi, isn't it obvious that we do not understand what you're saying? I mean, explain to us. It will not kill you, it will hurt you.
Okay. When you want something badly, what do you do?
If the thing is very important to me, I will go after it desperately. That's if it's worth it though.
What about you?
If it's something that money can get, I will use my last couple to get it. If it's worth it too.
Good. Both of you are right. So, I guess you know what to do now.
Nai, I don't understand. Are you trying to say that we should bribe you to get our freedom?
No, you just said it.
Wait. How much are we looking at? How much are we talking about?
Look, I'm running late for a meeting. If you need me, you know where to find me.
Ichie, see, I found you now.
What do we do next? Meet your Ichie.
Hey! It's a big lie.
Ichie.
He's lying.
How could you?
Has he gotten to this?
Mother, it is not true. He is lying. Ichie, what is wrong with you now?
This man is a big liar.
Call me a liar one more time and I will drag you to the shrine to swear.
I beg. Calm down, please, Ichie. He has not gotten to swearing, Biko.
Okay, then bury your faces in shame. All you care about is money. No work, no plans, just money.
Well, money.
When you get that money, what do you do with it? Let me tell you. A donkey that refuses to grow horns comes back with her ears cut off.
Please. We are just begging you people to change from this your careless attitude. Your father's property is yours. Nobody is dragging it from you. But who will want to pour water in a basket?
Please, let's hear word. Share our property. Akuna, if you don't have any hidden intention, share the property. Let's go.
Daula.
Hey! Rubbish. Oh, can't see Jay.
I am surprised at this invitation.
Well, they insisted I should invite you over. So...
Before I proceed, let me say, may the soul of Chief Donald rest in peace.
Amen.
Chief Donald was a very good and kind-hearted man. I loved him and respected him so much. I feel so sad whenever...
You don't have to feel anything, Oga. Please. We called you here for you to read the will. Do not tell us the good side of our father because we knew him so well before he left this world. You don't need to tell us. Do you understand? Just hit the hammer on the head. Let's get out of here.
Well, From all indication, you people are not yet ready.
Hey, Mr. Man. Are you alright? Are you insane? My sister just said you should hit the hammer on the nail. Go straight to the point.
Oh.
Madam, okay, talk to your lawyer. Thank you.
According to your father's wish, before his demise,
Which states that?
that you turn a new leaf before I read the will to you people.
Is this some sort of joke or what? Oga? Is this, are you joking? Are you kidding?
Hey, Mama.
Well, if you will excuse me, I have a proceeding in court and then I have a bus to catch.
You have a bus to catch, boss. You don't even have a car. You don't even own a car. He said you have a proceeding.
Proceeding kill you there.
Can you imagine? Is something wrong with you?
You're crazy. What nonsense proceeding?
You say you should give us our money. Yeah, you go buying. Period. Is it your money?
I say you should leave my suit and my bag before you rot in jail.
Leave your dirty stinking coats. Horrible. Your virus.
Look at these Neanderthals.
This smelling mouth. He mouth on the phone. He sanitized that.
Ramshackle box.
Oh, get out of here. Shoot it. Look at it. And you're still wearing coats.
Ramshackle box.
We're sorry. Please forgive them, okay? Please. Please, I beg you.
Abort. Abort.
You call me?
Well, no. Please, can you open the gate for me?
You are leaving already?
Obviously, I'm leaving already. Please open the gate for me.
I'll go. What about my own share now?
What are you talking about?
my own share now, Oga. You know that I am a member of the family, by extension.
Don't be ridiculous, young man. Open the gate for me.
Adam, I am not proud to say this, but you have to be very careful about those two. They are desperate.
Am I supposed to live in fear in my own father's house? Because of my own sisters? My blood sisters?
Caution, Madam. You have to tread cautiously. Please. Please. I wouldn't want to lose you. And I wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
You will not lose me. You won't.
I know, but I just want you to be very careful.
Don't worry, I will think about it. I'll be very careful.
That's all I want from you.
I promise. Don't work yourself out, okay?
I'm fine now. Just be careful. I'll be in my room.
Why were you in a hurry to leave?
See, that is not my fault. I was only in a hurry because my clients are all on my neck.
Oh.
Do you understand? See, the reason why I came by was just to check up on you, to make sure you're fine.
As you can see, I am fine. I'm doing good.
I'm glad to know that. But please do one thing for me.
What?
I want you to take care of yourself for me.
Oh my God. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay?
But sincerely, you don't even need to thank me. I mean, I'm your friend. I mean, if I don't watch your back, what does that make me?
It makes you a man who also have his life to himself.
Are you for real?
Yes.
This same man has so much time for the both of us.
Thank you.
Well, if that is the case, let me drop you at home.
You see, you're hurried to go again.
I'm not in a hurry. I just want to drop you. What's yours?
What are you both doing here?
Adane. So what you now do is to hoard our father's money and be spending it on that thing you call a boyfriend.
Excuse me?
Excuse you what? Look at you. You always claim to be holy and all that, but you do what things? Don't even try that nonsense with me.
Oh. Both of you have ganged up to fight your own elder
sister. Will you shut your trap? Shut it up, please.
You started it first, so you should deal with it.
Yes, now, if you know what is good for you now, Adane, before we'll tear you into shreds, if you know what is good for you, now start writing a reasonable amount of money in your check. Give it to us now. If not, what we'll do to you, you will not live to tell the story.
You both are evil.
Come back! Are you mad? In a parlor? In a dresses? Right in. You're wasting my time, Sandra. I am tired of your different excuses.
Babes, relax. I don't want to give out you and favor. See, I'm just trying to be careful so I don't give us out.
Careful how? How? Your carefulness is making me lose my mind. I'm losing my sanity.
I said you should relax. I have all these things under control. Very soon, we will start celebrating.
Very soon indeed. Your soon is almost sounding like Jesus is about to come. How soon? How soon?
Your blood is hot. Hey, your blood is too hot.
This thing is not funny. It's not funny at all.
Relax, okay? The plans we had scattered because of your father's death.
Sandra, what exactly are you trying to say? Are you telling me that you never had a plan B all along?
Of course I do. I do.
So what happened?
I have more than 10 plans. I mean, I have all the plans to make Adane suffer. My jealousy for her have grown into hatred. I hate that.
You know what? Just shut up. Shut up your trap. What is your problem? You just keep doing all the talkings without any result.
I don't know.
Listen, madam, as I am standing right here, my bank account is as good as empty. I can even hear the echo all the way from there. Do something, give us results. Yours is as good as empty. Mine is already empty. What is going on with you, Sandra? Let me tell you, my father is rich. And you obviously do not know his worth, do you?
I doubt. Please, we are all in this. All I'm asking is to be patient. Please.
Patient?
Okay. What I mean is, I have a plan.
It's got to be a better plan this time around. It's got to be.
Better be.
Else. Let's go, sis.
Ada, why are you so worried?
You know, sometimes I envy you.
Why?
I just wish we could switch. If my father had an enterprising son like you, he would have still be alive by now.
So in other words, you're blaming yourself? See, Adam, do you know my mom also wishes she had a girl instead of me? I mean, sometimes I even feel sorry for her. I'm supposed to be feeling bad.
Oh.
Yes. Ada, see, this thing with you is just gender tag. It is. Because not every man is as hardworking as you are. But that is the truth.
Oh.
See, Ada, you're just a man in a female flesh.
Oh, please stop. Oh my God, at this point you just have to stop this before I start shedding tears.
Ada, Is that how you appreciate compliments? By shedding tears?
Oh, see, Oga, I have to go home now. It's
Come
lunchtime.
on.
Before my warrior sisters will just tear me apart.
Spend some more time with me.
No, let me go.
My darling, you see this new contract I'm pursuing, eh? Plus your own. Hey, once it clicks, I will cash out real big.
Oh my God, I really like your wisdom that you put in work, your determinations, and so you're really trying. You're good in what you do.
My darling,
What?
I cannot do all this without you. See, you inspire me so much.
Like,
you make me want to do it more. Push harder and all. Thank you for everything. That is all I can say.
You're welcome. We can only strive to get better. Yes, we need to put more effort to do it better, to get up there. And me, I like your effort.
Hello? Yes, speaking. What? Hey! What is it? What is it?
Now, mommy.
I just received a call.
The person said that Adana had an accident.
Okay, mommy, is she dead?
Are they still intact? Are they still alright? I wouldn't know. Let's go to the hospital. Avoid. Go inside and get me the car keys. Let's go to the hospital, please. Let's go now. I cannot. I have a lot of things to do. I have important stuff to make. I can't go to the hospital.
Blood is thicker than water. Let my sorrow wash away. Oh, my heart is feeling pain. Abba, can you hear me?
I don't know. They didn't let me in.
Oh my God. What exactly happened to her?
They said it was an accident.
An accident? How did it happen? How?
I can't tell because I wasn't there. They just called me on phone and informed me about it.
She even gets involved in an accident.
I don't know.
I need to speak to you in my office right away.
Okay,
come.
Rejoice! The deal is done!
And how sure are you?
Oh, very sure. You know those boys? I paid them well.
And what if she survives?
Never. Both of you, go home and get ready. Because you're taking over your father's business.
Hey!
Yes!
Yay!
Are you kidding me? I'm sure. Yes!
Yes! So classy!
Asta.
Yeah! Okay, we believe you.
Thank you so much. We'll see you.
She will have to be here for a while so that we can weigh the two options.
Doctor, what are the options?
Amputation or...
God forbid. Why would you say a thing like that? You dare not touch my daughter's leg for any reason whatsoever. Okay, you... no, doctor, there should be another way. Please, there has to be another way.
Mrs. Donald,
If there was another way, I would have told you.
Hey!
She has bruises. Her legs are fractured. Which is why I said, we will have to monitor her for the time being. Until then, get her a wheelchair. Yes, train her movement.
Hi! Why me?
That's the only option.
Why my daughter now? God, please, this is not happening.
Nneka, get the theater ready.
Hey!
Yes, hurry up.
Oh, Doctor.
Mommy, stop crying, okay? I will be fine. It's just a minor fracture. A few days I will live here, Mommy. Be strong for me.
Please, I wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
Mommy, nothing will happen.
You're the only meaningful thing left for me in this world. I am still dealing with the demise of your father. Please, be strong for me. I want you to come home.
Just you're doing fine.
I'm fine.
Oh, you're a strong girl. You know you got this.
They just talk to my mommy for me, okay?
If she's good, I'm good.
She is definitely. Can't you see her?
Why are we here?
My balance.
What balance are you talking about?
You asked me to do a job for you, and that I have done.
I asked you to eliminate her, but you ended up breaking her legs.
"2 days. If I don't get my money, you will not like what I will do to you. Idiot."
Let my sorrow wash away. Oh, my heart is feeling pain. My back I wanna know.
Hey! What are you doing here? How come two of you are here? Who is taking care of your sister in the hospital?
The same person she has been squandering our father's wealth with will continue to take care of her until she dies.
Wow. Huh? You hear me? So it has gotten to the point of wishing your own blood sister dead?
What's this rubbish? Can you imagine?
Hey, madam, hey. Miss Jama Queen, maybe that one will ask you. The question is, where the hell are you going to?
Exactly. Where are you going to? What exactly are you doing here? You left your useless husband's house to meddle in another person's family. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
She
are you not?
She should.
Now take your stupid and miserable self out of this compound.
Madam,
now.
My sister say, get Cherugi a bit jealous.
Ozwa?
Ngwa, move it.
You are here already, you can't go back. You know I won't let you. You know I won't let you go back to the village.
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey.
Yes, Ikenna, I asked that you see me. From the result of the x-ray we carried out on Adani yesterday, it proves that she can be on her feet in few weeks, only if she takes her medications properly.
Oh, that's great, Doctor. I'm not surprised. Adane is a very strong woman.
Yes, she is. Well, I tried talking to her mom on the phone, but I can't reach her. So if you're able to talk to her, tell her about the new findings.
I will do just that. I don't know, is Adane fit to go now?
Yes, sure, she is. I'll inform the nurse to get you her drug prescriptions. And then you're good to go.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much, Doctor. I really appreciate your effort.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Blood is thicker than water. Let my sorrow wash away. Oh, my heart is feeling pain. Papa, I wanna know. When they put your
Whoever that did this to you, I never see this. Hey, to my brother's daughter. Hey. Take it easy. Take it easy. Hey. Mama. They remembered you. Hey. Take it easy. It's not a small thing,
Sandra, you are a failure. A big one at that. Just shut up. Shut up your mouth. Shut that trap of yours. You told me she was dead. Well, guess what? She is still alive. Very healthy. Hi. You know the reason why I'm still taking this cockapoo story of yours? Because my sister is not in town. I mean, you are so lucky she is not in town. If she was to be around, I'm sure you would have known what would have happened to you. Don't you? Just get off my phone with your stupid fake news, please.
you serious? Babes, just calm down. Please calm down. You know I did my best. Eh? See, just give me another chance. Babes, give me another chance. You know I did my best. I did my best. And I'm still doing my best. Maybe that is the way God wants it. Check it. She has done us no harm. Just let it go. Babes!
Blood is thicker than water. Let my sorrow wash away. Oh, my heart is feeling pain. Papa, I wanna know. When they much or
What have you come here to do? What are you doing here?
Akuna, we are not fighting.
Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what I just said? Answer my question. What have you come here to do? What? Listen, I don't want to have issues with you. Just take this thing you call a car out of this compound before I do something you and I will regret.
Akuna, your sister...
She is dead. She is dead.
What?
You heard me.
Akuna, for Christ's sake, how can you wish for your own sister's death?
Wish, you said? If you were here about an hour ago, you would have understood what I'm saying. What is wrong with you? Ha!
Akuna, what's the meaning of all this?
What's the meaning of what? Look at you. You think I don't know you? I know you! You this gold digger.
Me?
Yes! You think I don't know that you've been the one manipulating my sister?
Jesus.
You think I don't know that you've been the one withholding her from reading the will? You think I don't know? But your plans have failed. It's all your plans have failed! Please, get out of this place! Get out! Please! Go to the mortuary! Go there and enjoy her! Her corpse is there!
What will you gain if I die? What will you gain?
At least the money you've been keeping to enjoy with your stupid boyfriend will be mine and mine alone to enjoy.
Squander, you mean? You're getting this whole thing wrong. Yes, you're getting it wrong. The only thing Daddy wanted was for you to change your attitude.
Adane, you are seeing me as a wasteful person, right? What if I waste you before any other thing else? Hey!
Come in.
You called me?
Yes, I've been calling Ikena, but he's not picking. I think he's out of town.
I don't know, but do you need anything?
Yes, I need someone to take me to the hospital.
I can drive.
Oh, come on. You can't drive. There is difference between I drive and I can drive.
I drive very well, sir.
You mean you can drive? When was the last time you drove?
I used to take Oga's car to the mechanic sometimes for service, and no record of accident. Slow and steady. To and fro.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then take me to the hospital.
Okay. Well, you keep...
Get my wheelchair.
Okay.
Doctor, please. What is wrong with my daughter?
Mrs. Donald, you've been through a lot in recent times. Favor is suffering from cancer of the lungs. Her condition is critical. And her chances of surviving is 50-50. It's okay. It's okay.
Doctor, I can't take this.
Mommy, I think you should go home and rest. Don't worry, I will stay here and take care of her.
Listen, how can you take care of her on a wheelchair? How?
Mommy, I will be fine. Auntie, please take my mommy home. Make sure she eats something and gets rest. Boy, thank you very much, okay? Please take care of my mommy. Take her home.
Boy! Mommy! Where have they all gone to? Favor! Favor! Where has everyone disappeared to? Favor? What is going on? Look at you. Have you seen how meaningless and empty life can really be? You see how all you want to kill and fight for can amount to nothing within a twinkle of an eye. You are the closest person to Favor. Your accomplice. Your partner in all the crime that you two have vowed to be committing. Akona, in all this, you did not notice that your sister was dying. Shame on you, Akona.